The Supreme Court today observed that a High Court does have the power to designate an advocate as senior advocate on its own without any application, as long as the process is fair and meets the constitutional standards set by the Supreme Court. With this, the top court has set aside a 2021 decision of the Orissa High Court that had struck down Rule 6 Clause 9 of the High Court of Orissa Designation of Senior Advocate Rules 2019. This rule allowed the High Court to suo moto, that is, on its own, designate an advocate as a senior advocate without any formal application or proposal. The Orissa High Court had earlier ruled that this power goes against the Supreme Court's 2017 guidelines laid down in the Indira Jaising judgment. That judgment had recognized only two routes for designation: a written proposal by judges or an application by the advocate. But now the Supreme Court bench of Justices J.B. Pardewala and R. Madhavan has disagreed with that interpretation. The court relied heavily on its own recent decision in Jitendra versus State Government of NCT of Delhi, where it had clearly held that a High Court's full court may, in exceptional cases, consider and confer senior designation even without an application, provided the selection process follows fairness, transparency and objectivity. Applying this principle, the Supreme Court upheld Orissa High Court's 2019 suo moto designation of 5 advocates as the senior advocates. These designations had been challenged by 4 other advocates who filed a writ petition questioning the court's power under Rule 6 Clause 9. The Supreme Court also referred to the 1973 amendment to the Advocates Act, which allows a senior designation based on ability, standing at the bar, or special knowledge or experience. The court has said that this shows that the standard for designating a senior advocate is meant to be much higher than for regular advocates. Ultimately, the Supreme Court held that the amended Rule 6 Clause 9 is valid and will continue to remain in force until new rules are framed by the Orissa High Court.